Hello, today we are going to take care of making this vintage professional video light operational again. The model number is Reporter 250H and that stands for 250 watts at 30 volts, and it is extremely close to the voltages you can get from military batteries. And this is what we are going to do. We are going to make a plug that is going to connect into our military battery and allow us to tap power into that light fixture. When that lamp was brand new, it was powered from this beefy nickel-cadmium rechargeable battery. It is quite interesting model because you can clearly see how it is nicely profiled to go toward your body, so you can strap this onto yourself. That's got as an output 4-pin XLR connector, and on our lights fixture we've got that male plug, and it's going to be mating with the battery pack just like that, and this is going to be your power source. As you most likely assume, the military battery is using totally different standard for our power output, and it's not compatible with a 4-pin XLR, and because of that we are going to be using our military plug, and we are going to connect it to the correct 4-pin XLR that I just purchased. Here we've got our 4-pin female XLR, and that's going to make a perfect match with the one on our light fixture. So as you can see, it's working absolutely great. And the only thing that we have to do is to mate those two wires together, and our light is going to be operational again. On that plug, which is a part of PRC148 battery eliminator, I already create a short that is joining positive and negative terminal of those two 12-volt sections that are located in that battery, and that's going to allow us to tap 24 volt from that one and 30 volt from the lithium ion, and I'm going to get the positive and negative terminal. So this is just a short between those two wires. I'm not sure if you can follow the color code. In my case, the red is going to be positive 30 volt, the white and black are tied together, and the green one is going to be our negative. Let's start from opening our 4-pin XLR. We are going to remove that part, and I'm going to put our wire there through that grommet. Absolutely beautiful. Now we are going to be pushing that part inside, and after we remove it nicely, you just put it like this. Then we've got access to our terminals that are going to be soldered. This is how it presents, and each of those pins got marking that is corresponding with a number. I hope you can see them. So looking from front, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure that you jump into conclusion that with a halogen bulb you can use any polarity. But if you take a look at the back, we've got our power indicator done on a LED bar stripe. So most likely we need to make sure that we've got the correct polarity, because it's not going to be working, and worst case we are going to be burning something, because I'm pretty sure for that measuring of voltage there is some kind of IC inside. So we are going to make sure that we've got exactly the same polarity as on the genuine battery. Here is our correct polarity. The pin number 1 is negative, pin number 2 is positive, and we are going to wire that correctly. Pin number 1 is negative. We are going to take a look once again. Pin number 1 goes here, and this is going to be our negative. So let me turn on my soldering station. Let me add a little bit of solder into our wires. Just like that, absolutely beautiful. And the pin number 1 is going to be our negative. Let's add some solder. And we've got a beautiful connection. Then our pin number 2, that is going to be our positive. And we go like that. We make sure that nothing stay out that can touch the outer shell because it's made out of metal. And as you can see, we've got nothing. That part is from future, where I did make sure that everything is operational. And as you can see, I nicely add glue to make sure that our part is not going to create any short. Before I'm going to seal it completely with glue, we are going to make sure that it is operational. We are going to add that part that is split, cut in half, so absolutely no problem. We go like this, and now we can slide it into place. We go like this, and as you can see, it absolutely beautifully go to the end. And we are going to screw it like this. But as I told you, the plan is to add glue to make sure that it's sealed. But let's tell me, how does it present? Does it look professional, like something manufactured? I think it looks quite good. So let me connect it over here, and let's make the measurement before connecting to the light. We've got a polarity check. Everything looks okay. In case of that metal hydride battery, we are reading 27 volts, which is just fine. Now it's time to do a real test. Let's plug our light. We go like this, and I'm going to hit the switch. And as you can see, we've got absolutely beautiful light on the nickel metal hydride. And here we are using the lithium-ion battery. And as you can see, we've got absolutely beautiful success. This is how you can rewire your professional vintage video lighting equipment to use with more modern batteries and get a great success. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.